What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing and setting up the S-150 USB digital speaker from Logitech. So in the box we have the instructions, then we have the speakers itself. Alright, so here are the paperwork. Basically it teaches you how to set it up and everything. The packaging looks pretty nice. Alright, let's peel the plastic off. Very satisfying. Basically the controls on here are very straightforward. There's a volume up button, volume down button, and a mute button. Super easy to use for everyone. Honestly, it's not complicated at all. So this is a USB speaker. So all you gotta do is plug it in to the USB port. Alright, let's do an audio test just to hear how it sounds. So yeah, you can use these controls to change the volume, and the middle one's mute, or you can just hit that and it just mutes it.
I have requested this television timer.
Honestly, this is a pretty short unboxing and setup video, but hopefully you guys found this helpful. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. In my opinion, these audio speakers are not like the greatest speakers of all time, but for its price, it's honestly not even bad at all. Like if you just want some speakers and you don't really care if it gets damaged and you don't care if it's the best quality of audio, then these are pretty good speakers, honestly. They're just like $20 and super easy to set up. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.